Luxury design, fully customizable appearance. Two transparent windows. Water-cooled air conditioner. Intelligent dual control system, real-time pressure and oxygen data. Humidification bottle. Spacious, quiet, claustrophobia friendly. Transformer, we will customize the voltage according to customer requirements. Air conditioner external unit. Rapid pressurization to 2 ATA in less than 10 minutes. DC power supply system provided free of charge. Labeling our seamless integration.